welcome back to the vlog. How's it Thursday already? This week is going by scary fast. It's gonna be a nice big work day ahead, and then I am not sure what else. I know I want to try my new self tanner because I'm going to a Halloween party tomorrow and throughout the weekend, so I thought that would be fun to try that one that I unboxed in my last vlog. And I also have to finish unpacking all my toiletries. I still have like my makeup and stuff sort of not where it's supposed to be, so I need to do that today for sure because it's stressing me out. I finally have my chais back. I have been without my chais for like a week now because I just slacked on reordering it. I don't know why, but so happy to have it back. Shall we have our first sip? It's very hot. Hot, but good. So my to-do list today isn't too bad. Not feeling too crazy, but a little crazy. It's definitely gonna be a long day. I have a lot going on with work right now. I'm gonna fill you guys in later. I really can't talk about it yet. Probably not for another month-ish, so more than likely I'll get to that during Vlogmas. Can't believe we're even talking about Vlogmas. How are we here? There's just so much going on. It's about to be an absolutely insane next month. And then even past that, I mean, going into December, just the rest of the year. It's going to be a time, that is for sure, but it all leads up to my prize at the end, which is a trip to Hawaii. I don't even know. Yeah, I definitely have talked to you guys about this a ton. We're nowhere near it. I'm not really gonna get into it right now, but Hawaii for New Year's. I'm gonna be so excited. Anyway, that's the deal, and let's just dive in. I just really want to try to like focus, go into like full work mode and get some ish done. Whoa, did you guys see that? Little Molly hair floating through. Are you loving that sunshine? I've been here for hours. Hi. You didn't even come and say hi to me yet today. So cute, all the little paws. I know, sorry I'm bugging you. Did she come for the turkey at least?
No.
You didn't even come to beg for turkey?
Yeah, I'm surprised about that part.
Just too happy sunbathing? Fair enough. Lunchtime, but we are making great progress on our to-do list today, which is lovely. Sorry, dishwasher's running. My cat, good girl. She's being so cute, I'm dead. Okay, we're going to make a sandwich. Sounds good. So, what am I going to need to chop? Not much, just tomato. So, I can use this small cutting board. These Campari tomatoes are so good. Obviously, they're not really in season at this point, but still delicious. Oh, Molly, you know what's about to come out? Oh, you're gonna open it right in front of me. Oh! Molly is so scared of the ironing board. I have no idea why. She gets so scared every time. Looking yummy. I'm excited. Alrighty, we are finished with lunch. I actually just had a nice little FaceTime with Tara to catch up about how her Europe trip has been so far. It's been so hard to keep up with each other because of the time difference. Literally 9-hour difference between us right now. So it was really good getting to talk to her and hear all about how her trip has been going so far. Actually, let me go get some more water. And I'm about to head back to work now. It is 2:15 p.m. and the to-do list is not looking all that bad, which was pretty nice. I was actually just talking to Connor about this today. We always drink out of like our cups. Like we each have one of these straw cups and it's literally what we drink water out of every single day. And I was like, don't you think that's weird? And he was like, you don't think other people do that? And I was like, I don't think so. So let me know, do you guys have like a cup that you drink out of every day with your water? Because we do. We just like having the big cups, the nice straw. I don't know, it's just nice drinking water this way. Helps me like actually drink more water than I might before, or either, I mean, whatever. So for the rest of the day, I just have like some more sort of housekeeping type stuff to do, and then I may start on tomorrow's to-do list a little bit as well, just to start clearing out my Friday to-do list. Might as well. But since it's like mostly some housekeeping, I'm going to watch The Real Housewives Reunion Part 3. And I have a little candle lit here just to make this place smell delish, and we're gonna get going now. Anyone else just so depressed about the sun setting so early? I hate this time of year. But it's 6 p.m. and we are calling it on work. I am just chilling on the couch here waiting for Connor to get home. He should be home any minute now, I think. Just watching, oh my God, just watching the Packer game. Sort of, I mean, I just turned on the television, it was on, and I like the Packers, so. Anyway, have it on in the background. I'm actually about to go hop in the shower, I think, but I'm going to open up this box that I got here from, come on. Ugh, this doesn't even friggin' work. It says tear here, and then it just doesn't actually work on either side. Ugh. Anyway, it's a box from Joanna Vargas. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I am very excited. Look at how pretty it is in here. And it says, the gift of glow. Jill, we hope you have a glowing holiday season. How is holiday PR starting? How are we here? Hair, get down. All aglow holiday gift set. I'm obsessed already. Absolutely freaking beautiful. Look at this. Sorry, I'm distracted. So we have their rejuvenating serum. I'm pretty sure that I have this one, and it's more of like an oil than a serum. I'm actually not sure why they call it a serum. If this is what I'm thinking of, let's see. Yep, it is. See how like it just drips? It's definitely more of an oil. I don't know. It's sort of strange to me. I really like it though. It's like my favorite facial oil to use. It's just strange that they call it a serum. Vitamin C face wash. I've never tried one of their face washes before. Love it. Definitely gonna have to try that, put it in the shower. And then lastly, the Glow to Go mask set. Absolutely love their sheet masks. They're really, really nice. And it looks like there are, oh, interesting. So 4 face masks plus a eye mask. A brightening eye mask. Love it. Thank you so much, Joanna Vargas. Much appreciated as always. Conor and I are playing each other in fantasy this week, and my fantasy team has not gone well. I'm 1-6. Minnie and I've only won 1 game, if you guys don't know. So it's not going great. I keep like, it will literally say that I have like an 80% chance of winning, and then somehow I still lose. I don't know. Anyway, going to go hop in the shower now and just do like a body wash plus shave, because I want my hair to still be straight tomorrow for the costume that I'm doing at tomorrow's Halloween party. And then I will wash my hair on Saturday. I need the curls to come back for my Hermione Halloween costume, obviously. And then once I'm out of the shower, I want to try the Isle of Paradise self-tanner. So we're gonna do that as well, and I will report back for you guys on that. Obviously, yes. Okay, first down, come on. Are they counting that as a first down? Ooh, they have to measure it and everything. I am intrigued. Not even close. Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the shower, and then once I'm out of the shower, I'm actually going to try the Isle of Paradise self-tanner. Obviously, I can't like really show you guys when I'm doing it because I'm gonna do it in le nude, but I will let you guys know how it goes. Okay, friends, we did it, and then I put on the Isle of Paradise tanning products. If you missed my last video, I have the self-tanning water in medium, as well as their self-tanning drops, which I used on my face. Also in, oh, this is actually in dark. Oh, I should have double checked that. Why would they send me 2 different colors? Fingers crossed it doesn't look crazy. It says it takes 4 to 6 hours to develop. I don't know, what time is it right now? Probably 7. Yeah, 6:48. So like maybe we'll start to see it before bed, but more than likely I will see more in the morning. Anyway, just have a giant t-shirt on now while that all dries, and then yeah, I'm gonna go check in and see what Connor wants to do for dinner. We are going to open up our wine delivery of the month.
Vino, 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 vino. Last month was
really good
Merlot from Napa. So that's gonna be tough to beat.
All right. Ooh, this looks cool.
Rancheria Cellars.
Rancheria. Cab Sav, my favorite kind of red.
More Napa.
2019 Napa Red.
Cab Sav. Ooh, love it.
We're gonna crack one open tonight. Yeah, so I think Conor and I are just gonna do different things for dinner tonight. He was sort of craving a pizza, and I wasn't really in the mood for that, although I don't know what I'm in the mood for, so TBD what we actually end up coming up with. I sort of just don't, well, I don't know what I want.
Ooh, there we go.
Beautiful. I'm excited.
Some healthy pours, Jesus.
Yeah, oh my God.
Cheers, baby.
I have a lot of sediment in mine. How about you? Let's have a look.
It's pretty good. I'm not crazy about it.
I think it's good.
I think it's good too.
It's not the flavor blast
Yeah.
that you really like.
Yeah.
But I really like lighter
Yeah.
flavors like this, so I really like it.
Yeah. It tastes like juicier to me.
Yeah, you're right. That's good.
What are you thinking, baby? Are you gonna do ramen?
Probably, yeah. You know, my last Toronto vlog goes up tomorrow.
Ooh, sad.
I know, my very last one. I can't believe it. Usually people like travel vlogs, but not as much as you would probably think, weirdly.
It's the reunion. That's what it really is. And,
Yeah.
There's a bunch of good stuff.
Being back in Toronto, our parents meeting.
Exactly.
By the way, it was so funny. Literally all of the comments, all of my DMs were like, you and Conor are getting engaged on this trip, aren't you? Which I understand why people might think that.
But no.
No, definitely not. Definitely not. I also that's really not, well, I don't know. Anyway. It would just not be my preferred engagement situation, you know? Anyway, no. It's literally just about like the time in our lives.
Yeah.
And it's not now. Now is not the time for that for us. So sorry to disappoint.
No.
No. But it was funny seeing everyone speculate. I enjoyed it quite a bit, honestly. It was a good time.
I've asked Jill 3 times already and she's just said no.
No. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go for the ramen in the end.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels right.
Nice and easy too. That's
I know,
That's
yeah.
really what we're going
That's
for.
really what's getting me, you know? Just so damn easy. Cheesy ramen coming right up. I'm very excited. Basically using the Shin ramen here. And we have milk in here. We have the seasoning packets. I threw like a little bit of leftover vegan ground beef that we had just for something extra. And now I just threw in the pepper jack cheese. Just getting nice and melty now. I'm gonna throw in just a little bit of pasta water. Saved some from when I cooked the noodles just to make it a little saucier. You never have too much sauce, you know, guys. This is too heavy. Can you help me, baby?
Yeah.
I don't think I can lift this
Don't worry about it.
just into this bowl, please.
Of course.
Thank you so much. Thanks, babes.
Of course.
Well, friends, end of the day here. Just heading to bed. It's like 11 p.m. Conor and I enjoyed our dinners. We watched some Succession, and then we played a little bit of this like really stupid Switch game that we've been liking. I literally can never remember what it's called. But it's like where you hold arms and like swing. It's very fun and it makes us laugh a lot, so that was really fun. But now it is 11 p.m. and that is bedtime for me, so I'm crawling into bed here. But thank you guys for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!